hallway closet. The open kitchen, living dining area. Got renovated, put in brand new kitchen, redoing the floor. Here you have a separate bedroom. A lot of closet space. Very big, large closet here. Large closet here. Have a bathroom, which is being redone as well. It's one of the best management companies in the city. They take care of the tenants, the buildings. You have a Park Avenue view from your dining area, living. It's approximately, I would have to verify, but I would say approximately 1,000 square feet, including kitchen, closets, and a bathroom, not the living space alone.